squeaky brakes. Go ahead. Thank you. Check out this one area. Been looking at satellite pictures of the area, trying to find other places to ride, or at least I'll be able to get in there and check it out. Want to try my my front forks. I just serviced new seals, oil, pressure, air pressure. Book says it calls for 17 pounds. So now I got practically a brand new suspension between the rear and the rear monoshock and my front fork serviced. Pretty excited to try it out, see how that works out. Also got a I don't know if you can see it there, the communicator. Tried it out at the house, but I'm riding solo today. It's about 60 degrees here in Florida. Cold. It's Saturday. Yeah, it's Saturday. I also got my my backlight on my speedometer repaired, and I've decided to switch over to synthetic oil. So I picked up some synthetic oil this morning. And after today's ride, I'm going to change the oil. I think I'm going to have to flush it out first with a first change with synthetic oil heated up. I might ride it around the block or something for about 5 minutes, and then I'm going to dump it. Then that's with the old filter. Then I'm going to replace the filter and put some new synthetic oil in it, and hopefully that'll get rid of most of the residue of the semi-synthetic oil that I have in here right now. Even though the book says to use 2040 oil, motorcycle oil, I've been using 2050 because this is a 1991 apparently. Well, over here anyway, I can't seem to track down any 2040 oil, but for what I've read, the 1550, wow, it's breezy today, 1550 works fine on these, on the full synthetic. And normally it's not that cold here in Florida anyway, but today's one of those rare days. So we'll see how that goes. So I went into the Google Maps and got an aerial shot of this area over here, we're about 2 minutes away from the house. I'm gonna explore that area, see what we've got. There's another area that looks really promising. It's further away though, probably about 30 minutes or so, maybe less. But this one's close by, so I'm gonna check it out. Doesn't seem to be a very large area, but we'll see what we see when we get there. It's right on the other side of this bridge, by the way. I'm hoping this microphone is not giving us any static. At the end of my last recording, I started getting static. I think it was the Velcro from my jacket that wasn't secure on my jacket. If it's the microphone, I'll have to... I think I've got another one over there at the house. I'll switch them out. See, there's a little entrance right around here somewhere. Hopefully I won't pass it. Right here. Yeah. Yeah, here it is. Whoa, somebody dumped a bunch of garbage around here. Wow, they really dumped a lot of garbage around here. Looks like there's some... Trying to find a better line. It's muddy as hell. Slipping and sliding all over the place. Let's see if I can get out of this part. Glad I've got some new tires. Good tires. What's this over here? Alright, let's keep on going. That's it. Gee, it looks bigger on the map. I guess it's not. nice. What's this here? Whoops, blocked. Trunk back there pretty smoothly. Oh, I got decent forks. And that's blockage. Hole back there. What is this? Some kind of a road? Oh, it's blocked. Oh, this is pretty cool. Oh, what was that? I don't know what that is. Wonder where that is over there. That takes care of that. Some kind of a... I don't know where the hell I'm at, but I can find my way out. Wonder if I can blast through there. Only one way to find out. Yeah. Oh, it's another. Turn this puppy around. Is that neutral? Nope. It's in neutral now.